Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to dissolve an LLC, close down your business operations legally, and stop paying recurring state annual fees and taxes forever. Many business owners mistakenly believe that simply stopping operations, closing their bank account, or letting their business sit dormant will automatically end their company. In reality, if you walk away without filing official paperwork, state governments will continue charging mandatory annual franchise taxes, impose late fees, and eventually place your business in administrative dissolution. That can tank your personal credit and leave you exposed to personal legal liability. Today, we're breaking down the exact sequence to close your legal entity cleanly. Phase 1 is securing internal authorization and settling outstanding liabilities. Before submitting anything to the government, review your LLC operating agreement. Your agreement will outline the specific voting threshold required to dissolve the entity, such as a majority or unanimous member vote. Document this formal decision in a written resolution signed by all owners. Next, you must execute the winding up process. Pay off all active business creditors, settle outstanding vendor invoices, notify existing clients, and safely distribute any remaining liquid cash or physical assets to the members according to their exact ownership percentages. Phase 2 is securing state tax clearance and filing your official Articles of Dissolution. In many states, you cannot officially close your company until you obtain a tax clearance certificate from your state Department of Revenue, which proves that all sales taxes, state income taxes, and annual franchise fees are paid in full. Once cleared, log on to your Secretary of State's business portal and submit your official Articles of Dissolution, also known in some states as a Certificate of Cancellation. This formal legal document officially terminates your entity's existence on the public registry, stopping future annual report fees and franchise tax obligations right at the source. Phase 3 is closing federal tax accounts and shutting down operational infrastructure. When you file your final federal tax return, whether that is a Schedule C on your Form 1040, Form 1065 for a partnership, or Form 1120S for an S-Corp, you must check the box explicitly marking it as a final return. Afterward, send a formal letter to the IRS to close your Employer Identification Number business account. Finally, take your state-approved dissolution certificate to your bank to close your corporate checking accounts, cancel all local business licenses, terminate your commercial registered agent service, and keep all company records safely stored for at least 3 to 7 years. Follow this exact roadmap, close out your legal obligations properly, and protect your personal financial future. Subscribe for more.